Welcome to New Ranch at Silver Falls State Park. Nestled among the trees at the edge of a great meadow, this facility offers a gorgeous forested backdrop and sweeping views from the upper decks. Equipped with a commercial kitchen, large centralized fire pit, and twin over full-size bunk beds, New Ranch is a perfect choice for your upcoming wedding, reunion, or retreat. This rustic venue can accommodate up to 75 overnight guests and 100 day-use guests. It has space for up to 30 vehicles with tandem parking. Guests are welcome to pitch up to 10 tents in the surrounding mode areas. The spacious meadow is often used for wedding ceremonies or recreational activities and yard games for family reunions. To learn more about our nightly rentals or event packages, contact one of our coordinators today. We can't wait to see you at the falls.